Hi guys, I feel that you guys are liking my videos on psychological concepts, so here is another video on another psychological concept. Let's look forward to it. The topic is scope of psychology. First of all, we need to learn and we need to know that what is the scope of any subject. The extent of area or the subject matter. The extent of area to which it covers, which is covered by a particular subject, is the scope of that subject, or the subject matter or the things that we deal in a particular subject is the scope of that subject, or the broadness or the area it deals with in a particular subject is the scope of that subject. So what is the scope of psychology in our daily life in different fields? So first of all, health policy. Our government design health policies, and it adds, and psychology plays a great role in making health policies, because physical health and mental health, these both healths are needed for the citizens by the government. And the next one is recruitment agencies, the agencies which helps in hiring new individuals for different jobs. They use psychological concepts to understand, to examine the psychological capabilities of their candidates. Clinical psychology, you all know that it deals with medication and the betterment of individuals with respect to their psychological problems and their psychological health. The next one is personal business. You can apply the concepts of psychology in your personal business to understand the psychological approach of your customers or the market or the people you are dealing with in your business, your clients or whatever. The next one is police department. Police department use the concepts of psychology to understand the mentality of the criminals, or the nature of crime, or the ratio, why it is increasing, or what are the reasons, or different psychological concepts can be used in the field of police department. So first of all, what are the things that we do in psychology? Basically that we do in psychology is a broader aspect or the broader science now, but we are going to discuss only the basics of it. So understanding human behavior. Basically the human behavior is understood in the psychology, that what are the causes of changing behaviors of individuals, and what are the sources, what are the ways to understand the human behavior. Humans' personality development is primarily focused in psychology, that how to develop the personality of an individual to make him a good citizen, to make the lives of people better. So predict and improve behavior. We can predict the behavior of individuals by applying the psychological concepts, or different situations can be used, and by applying the psychological concept we can understand and improve their behaviors. So next one are the issues that are addressed by psychology these days are impact of violent TV programs on children or citizens. I mean, there comes so many violent TV programs, or the media, or different other channels or news channels, or violent footages. What are the footages and their impacts on individuals, and especially on the children who has not completed their psychosexual stages, or who are too young to understand the things or to maintain their psychological stability. So the next point is role of reward and punishment. I mean, the role of reward and punishment for doing certain acts are the determiners. These are used as a determiner to determine your personality, that what you will going to become. I mean, if I do something wrong, my parents will punish me, so I will not do it again. If I get first position in the class, I will be rewarded. Maybe your parent would have given you the bicycle on taking or getting the first position, so it is motivating me to get the first position again, to work hard again, and the punishment is playing the role to reduce doing such things which are going to punish me in the future. Effect of parents' relationship on kids. I mean, the relationship of parents at home or different environment that we face are totally affecting our personality, our perceptions, our psychological health. So the next one is reasons of deviant behaviors. There are so many examples could be there on the deviant behavior. The deviant behaviors are totally which are against the society. I mean the theft, the criminal activities, or the activities that are violent, or the activities that are normally not acceptable by the society. I mean, you cannot you cannot speak aloud in front of your parents. I mean, you have to be in limit, or there are so many examples could be there on the deviant behavior. And what could be the reasons? I mean, what are the factors that are playing the role in making people more deviant in the society? And by using the psychology and the concepts of psychology, we can find these issues and we can address them and find their solutions, and we can understand the human behavior, and we can improve the human behavior in their lives. And different fields we have discussed are using the psychological concepts. So it was just the basic scope of psychology. I hope you liked my video, and inshallah I'm going to make more and more videos about these topics. So please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because all I need is your support to make it work, to keep it, to keep my pace with your interest, and all I need is your support. Please subscribe and like and comment and mention whatever you do. It will be helpful for me, and I'll be grateful for you.